Okay, let's talk about UV pillar tool. It's very interesting. For example, we have this part here and we want to make it unwrap. Okay, we're going to the edge mode and double click to select a seam, and I want to open this based on this seam and simply unwrap it. You can see it's completely unwrapped and nice. You can change the shape of this UV. You can expand it, you can compress it, you can rotate it, you can change everything based on one tool, based on the seams. The important things about, for example, if you suddenly deselect everything, the pillar tool are not working. Make sure you are in edge mode. If you select the pillar tool, you can see you can drag and drop in you can see all of the tools are option are turned off, because first you have to, the best way of using the pillar tool is to select the seam. For selecting seam, you are going to the move tool and just double click on the seam in 3D mode, and you can see it's selected both sides. And then if you select the pillar tool, you can see if you go into the 3D view, you can change, for example, with you can change drag up and down. You can see it automatically relax it and make it straight, and everything is done. Make to the left and right, up and down, or you can hold in control to scale it down and stretch it and everything that you want to make it uniformly and nice. So you can change the U, you can change the Vmax, you can invert it in any direction that you want. I think it's inverted now, it's correct. If you go to the texture, if you want to see the texture, I don't know why, but you have to go to move tool outside the pillar tool. You can change uniformity of that. You can see you can change uniformity of that, uniformity max and uniformity of that. Here you can invert UV, fixed ring length, and equidistant uniformity. And here you can tell real-time update, or you can reset values if you want. Look at these images for fixed ring lengths. I think this is fixed ring lengths. For example, this shape, we selected these seams here, and if that fixed rings length is unchecked, it has not good UV, something like that. But if checked, it's make it rings uniformly. And here is equidistant uniformity. If we have none, it's completely make it on square, your UVs from the object. And that's it. It's with one click, left and right, or holding control. You can use manually, or with click and drag in UV in 3D. You can change UV form, or also you can make it double click in a polygon mode. It's hard way. You can see if you get pillar, you can use it. You can make it scale it in any direction. You can scale it non-uniform in a direction, but it changed topology. The pillar tool changed the topology of that. You can select, you can see it's not good. You have to select seams, double click again, and then you can go to the pillar tool, and again you can see you can change up and down uniform topology of the polygon with this slider also. You can see this change topology of that. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.